Hello everybody, I'm Mr. Malik and you're watching me on my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will discuss our next assignment that is in week 4. So first of all, we will open our project. So in today's video, we will discuss Excel 2021 in practice chapter 5 independent project 5 to 4. So from here, we will download our start file and resource file. Okay, we have to need both one. Okay. After completing our file, then we just come here and upload our file. Independent project 524 in window. Wilson Home Entertainment System monitors cash flow at each location and consolidates data. After the summary is complete, you insert hyperlink to each of supporting worksheet, insert an image, and then work on a vendor list. So these SLOs will be covered in today's project 5.1 to 5.8. File needed. These files we have to need that we have already downloaded from our start file link. Then this is the supporting file or we call the resource file. Okay. After completed project, the file name must be this one. Okay. Skill cover in this project. What skill we will cover in today's project? So we will cover group and format the worksheet, format negative values, create a static data consolidation with sum, insert picture from a file, insert hyperlink, copy hyperlink, assign the stock data type, insert data from stock data type, encrypt workbook with password. So all these skill will be covered in today's project. Okay. So before going to solve our assignment, first we move to our whole assignment, how many points we have in today's assignments. So in today's assignment, we have 9, 10, okay, we have just 9 questions. 10th one is save and close workbook, 11 is upload and save project file, and 12 is submit grading part. So we have just 9 questions in graded part. So let me start step by step. Remember that we are solving independent project 5 to 4, that is Excel 2021 in practice chapter 5 independent project 5 to 4, that is SIMnet assignment. So now we are moving to our instruction file. Steps to complete this project. Mark these steps as checked when you complete them. Okay, when our steps done, then we just simply check that one. Okay. In first part, we have to open this file that we call start file. Okay, we have to open that one, this one, then we have to open that one, then we have to click enable editing if it is not that one. Okay. So I think so this is the supporting file. Okay, this is supporting file, this is solution file. Then we have to download again. Okay, this one is our main file, is this one, that was supporting file. So we have to close this one, click on enable editing. So now we have downloaded both start file and resources. Okay, and we have open our start file here. We have to open our start file, then click on enable editing button so you can modify it. The file will rename automatically. Yes, that is automatically renamed. Change project file name if direct to do so. Okay, but that is not in my case. In next part, after solving first part, now we are moving to our next part. In next part, what we have to do, group, edit and format the sheet. We have to make them group, then we edit and format the sheet. In first part, click Rockford sheet, this one. Then press shift and click cache tab. Shift, hold on shift key, then we have to click on cache flow tab, this one. Okay, the waterfall sheet is visible so that you will able to see format changes. The vendor sheet is not part of group. Yes, that is there. So now all four sheets are in group. Okay, first part is done. Now we are moving toward next part. Click launcher in the page setup group and click margin tab. In page layout tab, click margin tab. Okay, then what we have to do there? We have to choose horizontal from center on page. Okay, horizontal from center of page. Then we have to edit the content of cell E10 to read. Okay, there we just simply press OK. That is done. Then we edit the content of cell E10 to read cash paid for marketing. So we just copy this one and move toward E10 there, and we have to replace it. This sentence, press enter. So part D is done. So question number 2 is done. In question number 2 there are 4 parts and we have done each and every part step by step. In first part, after reading instruction of question number 2, that group added and formatted the sheet. So in first part we have to click Rockford sheet tab, then we have to press shift and click cache flow tab. Okay, so Rockford sheet is visible to that you will be able to see format changes. The vendor sheet is not part of group. Then in part B we have to click the launcher in the page setup group and click margin tab. Then in part C we have to choose horizontal from center on page list and click OK. Then in part D we have to edit the content of cell E10 and we have to in this line there in cell E10. So question number 2 is done. After solving question 2, now we are moving toward question number 3. Format the value for negative number display. So in first part we have to select the cell A B4 to B25. So first we will copy this range and paste that range here, press enter. Okay, then click number launcher. Okay, then we have to go to home and this number launcher. Now from here what we have to select? We have to select currency as a category and choose 0 decimal place. Okay, so we have to select currency and there we have to choose 0 there. Then select option to display negative in red with parentheses. Negative in red with parentheses, this one. Simply press OK. So that is done. Yes, we have confirmed or select this sample. Then select option to display negative number in red parentheses. Yes, we have done. Then simply press OK. So question number 3 is done. In question number 3 there are 5 parts and we have done each and every part step by step. In first part, after reading instruction of question number 3, we get idea that we have to format the value for negative number display. So in first part we have to select the cell B4 to B25 and click number launcher, and number launcher is there in home tab number group. Okay, after that then we just select currency as category, then choose 0 decimal place, then confirm, select dollar symbol, dollar as a symbol. Okay, then in part E we have to select option to display negative number in red and with parentheses. Then in part F we just simply press OK and we get this result. You may see we have done and we get this result. So question number 3 is done. After solving question number 3, now we are moving toward question number 4. So before going to solve question number 4, let me tell what we are doing in today's video. We are discussing SIMnet assignment, that is Excel 2021 in practice chapter 5 independent project 5 to 4. In start we cover independent project 5 to 4 and we discuss these SLOs. Then we just discuss skill cover in today project. Then we move toward our graded part and we have done question 1, question number 2. In question number 2 there are 4 parts. Then we move toward question number 3, and in question number 3 there are 6 parts. Then now we are moving toward question number 4. Okay. So insert formula on group worksheet. You may know that we are on group. Okay, so we have to work on group worksheet. So in first part we have to select B13 and click auto sum button. B13, here we write B13, press enter. Okay, and here we have in auto sum, that is in home tab. In editing group there is auto sum option. Click there, press enter. Then in part B we have to reselect the range B4 to B12. Press enter. Then select B22 and sum B15 to B21. Select cell B22, this one, and there is we have to select cell B22 and sum the cell B15 to B21. So here we write sum function. Then what we have to pass to that sum function, we have to pass this value. So copy this one and paste that value here and press enter. Done. Then in part D select B23. Okay, then formula add cell B13 and B22. Yes. Then what we have to do, select B24. Now we have to move toward cell B24. This value is manually entered on each location sheet. Yes, there is no formula in cell B24. Then in part F we have to select B25. This is B25, and the formula adds B23 and B24. Yes. Then in part G we have to select cell A1 and ungroup sheet. We have to select cell A1 and ungroup worksheet. So right click on any group sheet and there is ungroup option. So that is done. So question number 4 is done. In question number 4 there are 6 to 7 parts. So we have done each and every part step by step. In first part we have to select B13 and click auto sum button, that is in home tab editing group. Then in part B we have to reselect the range B4 to B12 and press enter there. Then in part C we have to select B22 and sum the cell B15 to B21. After completing that, then we move toward part D where we have to select cell B23. The formula adds B13 to B21. Then we just verify there. Okay, then in part E we again verify, select cell B24. This value is manually entered on each location sheet. Then in part F we again verify that in cell B25 the formula adds B23 and B24. Then we just simply select A1 and ungroup worksheet, and we have done that and we get this result. Okay, so we are here. So question number 4 is done. Same way we will solve question number 5. In question number 5 what we have to do, we have to build 3 static data consolidation of cash flow sheet. Click cash flow sheet and select this range first. Then we have to use sum to consolidate the data from the Quiroc, Champion and Campaign and Rockford sheets. Then in part C we have to select the range B15 to B21 and consolidate data from location sheet. For this command you will need to delete existing reference in this consolidate dialog box. In part D we have to select the cell B24 and consolidate the cash balances from location sheet. So in this way we will solve question 5. Same way we will solve 6, 7, okay, 8 and 9. We have just 9 question in graded part. Okay, and out of 9 question we have done first 5 question in today video. Mean almost 55 to 60% assignment is done from my side in today video. Remember that we have solved Excel 2021 in practice chapter 5 independent project 5 to 4. That's SIMnet assignment. Then we move toward here in download part and we have download start file and resources. Then we just move toward independent project and we read which SLOs we will cover in today assignment. Then file needed, completed project. Then we move towards skills covered in today project and we read this one. These are skills that we will cover in today project. Then we move toward graded part and we have done question 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Out of 9 questions we have done first 5 questions, mean almost 60% assignment is done from my side in today video. And if you need complete solution for this file, for that you have to contact me on my WhatsApp number, my email ID, my Instagram ID. All links are available in video description as well as there in bottom of this video. You may see here is my WhatsApp number and here is my email ID. You may contact me. I am available. I will solve and you will get 100% marks. That's my guarantee. That's my promise that your result will be 100% whenever I will solve your assignment. You may also contact me for full course deal. Our deal will be reasonable in price and your marks will be 100%. Remember that I am also expert of mathematics, stats, English writing, English literature writing, accounting, C++, Java, Linux, textbook project, quizzes, sim book project, midterm exam, final exams, SQL project, Power BI project. So whatever you need to help regarding your academic, you may contact me. I am available. I will solve, and you will get 100% marks. That's my guarantee. That's my promise. That whenever I will solve your assignment, your marks will be 100%. And I'm going to give biggest opportunity for every client that first you get the result of your assignment, then you pay me. In this way, you will remain safe from the scammer because there are many scammers in the market who took the payment from the client but they didn't solve their assignment. So from my side, that's the biggest opportunity that first you get the result of your assignment, then you pay me. In this way, you will remain safe from the scammer and you will get A grade 100% marks in every assignment, and our price will be reasonable so you can easily afford that one. So in today assignment we discussed Excel 2021 and practice chapter 5 independent project 5 to 4. In today's video we have done almost 60% assignment. We will meet soon with our next assignment. So for that you have to subscribe my channel so you can get every latest video from my side. Take care, bye bye, best of luck for your future. Meet soon with our next assignment.